Welcome to Grace Farms. I'm Frank. Today, I'd love to share with you our classic chai. Now, chai is something that is really unique and has a rich history. So traditionally, chai is usually a combination of black tea with regional spices. And the recipe can vary from village to village, sometimes even family to family. What we're most familiar with on the state side is a heavier chai, like a masala chai, because here usually you mix it with milk and sugar and a lot of other sort of additives. What I really wanted to do was to feature the authenticity of chai. So we chose a rich Assam black tea and we blended it with ginger, cinnamon, cloves, allspice. And the idea was to create the smell and the spices. The result is to create a chai that is lighter in color but richer in taste, so that you can taste all the nuance, all the beauty of the region on its own. Look at that. It is absolutely beautiful on its own. And I hope you enjoy it as well. Cheers.